Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working on the BMW here. Let me explain quick on BMW 3 Series, guys, generation 2005 to 2013. So if you have a 3 Series with an iDrive screen, guys, this video might be helpful for you at some point in time. If you need to, guys, remove or replace the iDrive screen, we'll show you how to do it now. In the meantime, guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, taking everything apart, interior, exterior, electrical work, so please check it out. Also, we have a main channel called Auto Repair, guys, and it's approaching 100,000 subscribers, so please check it out as well. Now let's go ahead, okay, and show you how to do it. So we need a torque stand socket. Okay, this is a T10, you can see, and we have only 2 screws holding that thing in place. Okay, you can see one there. Okay, and one on the other side. Okay, to get a little bit more light maybe there. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, let me show you what we need to do. We need to grab it and pull it down. Okay, like that. You need to turn it now this way, and there is a cable that we need to disconnect. Okay, let me explain about this one quick. Now there is one round thing, like a notch on top, push down, and then the gray thing needs to slide over it and pull it all the way down. More. Okay, like that, that click, that's what we need. Now we need to get it out of the holders. There is 2 holders on the back. Pull, that's the thick antenna DVD cable, I believe. Okay, we need to pull that one out. Now this one, guys, you have to be very gentle how you do it. You have to wiggle it left and right, okay, and eventually it will come out. Okay, let me try a little bit, switch hands here, because this thing gets really tight sometimes. Okay, and you don't want to cause any damage, so be gentle how you do that. And this is, guys, your iDrive screen out of the way. You can see, not very complicated. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.